Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up Proton Mail auto reply. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Proton Mail on any browser that you prefer using and click on sign in. Once you've done that, make sure that your account is logged in into Proton, and now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and set up auto reply is click on this settings or gear icon on the top right and click on all settings. Once you've done that, now if you check on the left hand side of your screen, there's going to be this little icon which says forward and auto reply. Click on that, and I just forgot to tell you that Proton auto reply is gonna be a paid feature, so you need to have the premium version of Proton in order to go ahead and use it. But all you need to do is just turn it on right over here, and then you can also write what messages that you want to auto reply and between what time. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.